Welcome to the project demonstration of speaking microcontroller for Defender. So the main purpose of this project is it can announce the basic needs of a Defender persons, like need water, need food, use to washroom. These kind of voice will be announced whenever he press this particular button. So each button consists of each voice which is already predefinedly recorded in this APR 3383 module. So audio playback recorder APR 3383 module. So it can store 8 voices, and each voice should be maximum of 3 to 4 seconds, and that will be stored in this. And the voice also recorded can be from this microphone, and the so-called same voice will be replayed by using this Arduino Uno whenever we press this button. So it was interfaced to the Arduino Uno board at A0 to A6 as well as 8 and 9, and the outputs are 0 to 7 to the voice module, and the voice will be announced through this 8 ohm speaker. So they are the interfacing connections. Coming to the each board explanation. So on this board we have connected 8 push buttons with 8 10 kilo ohm pull up resistors. Why? Because if we didn't connect them, the so-called pin of the controller will be in floating, means it will not connect, it won't connect to any pin, then it will provide us the garbage value. So then we'll get the output also garbage output. That's why we are making it is pull up, and whenever we press this switch it will connect it to the ground, so we'll get the 0. So when it is 0, then voice will be announced respective voice from this push button. And coming to this voice module, so to this mic we can record the voice whenever we place this switch in record mode, and we need to hold this switch. If you want to record a voice in this like push button section, then we need to hold this till the voice recorded, and after that release that. The voice will be completed when it is in recording mode. So let us see demonstration. And from this adapter directly we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply, and which will take the input of 230 volts. So after switching on the kit, just it will indicated they got initialized, and then after, if you the so-called person want to play a voice of, so let us see the first recording procedure. So now I keep this switch for recording, so down, above is play. I need food will be announced, and I want to record the again. So right,
I need food.
Sorry, when the light is on it beeps, and then we need to record that.
I need food.
Mali.
I need food.
For play that voice above and again. So like this same thing from 8